everyone! Did you know that you can turn a D&D session into a thrilling dinosaur race? Imagine the excitement of kids racing their favorite prehistoric creatures. It's a wild idea, right? In this video, you'll learn how to effectively run dinosaur races in the Tomb of Annihilation campaign, specifically tailored for a younger audience. We're going to make it fun, exciting, and super easy to understand. So, let's get started. Alright, let's dive into the challenge here. Dungeons and Dragons can sometimes feel a bit complex, especially for kids. The mechanics can be a lot to wrap their heads around. So, the goal is to keep the essence of those thrilling dinosaur races while making everything super accessible. We want to ensure that kids can easily follow the rules and get involved without feeling overwhelmed. That means simplifying the mechanics but still keeping the adrenaline pumping. This way, they can cheer for their favorite dinosaurs without getting lost in all the dice rolls and numbers. Now, what do we need for a successful dinosaur race? First off, you've got to set up an awesome race course. Think about making it colorful and fun. You might want to include obstacles like lava pits, rocky terrains, or even sneaky pterodactyls swooping down. Next, let's talk about the dinosaurs. You can let the kids pick from a variety of dinosaurs, each with their own unique abilities. For instance, a speedy velociraptor might be great for quick sprints, while a sturdy triceratops could bust through obstacles. And don't forget to explain the rules in a way that's easy to digest. Use fun language. Instead of saying, initiative, you can say, who goes first? This keeps the excitement alive while ensuring everyone knows what to do. Now, here's where the magic happens. Picture this, during the race, the kids are all cheering, their dinosaurs are darting ahead, and just when it looks like the T-Rex is about to take the win, a sneaky Stegosaurus uses its spiky tail to trip the T-Rex. The crowd goes wild. That surprise twist is what makes these races memorable. It keeps everyone engaged and on the edge of their seats as they root for their favorites. You'll notice kids are giggling, shouting, and completely invested in the outcome. It's pure joy. So, to wrap things up, running dinosaur races in your D&D sessions can be a blast. We've covered how to simplify the mechanics, set up an exciting race course, choose the right dinosaurs, and create memorable moments that will have kids talking about it for weeks. It's all about making it fun and engaging. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how easily this can fit into your sessions, and you'll create a lasting impression on your young adventurers. Before you head out, I'd love to hear from you. Comment down below with your favorite dinosaur race experiences or any tips you have. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more D&D tips and tricks. Happy gaming, and may the best dinosaur win!